you explain to me a bit about what active expression is and what it does and how you work it and what's
Certainly.
going on?
It's a learner response system, and basically what it does is it enables children to give answers that will direct straight up onto the board. So what we can actually do is give a child one of these each. They will be able to allocate their name to each handset. So what happens is the teacher asks a question, the child can then input, as in text messaging on a mobile phone, which they're all very familiar with now. They can input their answer and it will go straight up onto the board.
Right.
If they're a bit shy, the children, it can be left anonymous, so it can just be an answer that goes straight up onto the board. What this helps is that the children can then, rather than putting the hand up and sort of never getting to answer a question, it enables them to get involved and actually feel that their answers are being looked at and they're part of the class, rather than having to take it in turns to put the hand up. What it also does, it enables the teacher to record the information. So all the answers will go into a table on there, and it will record all the information. She can, or he can, then see how well the class are doing in responding to the questions. She can see everybody's answering the question. She can see on what her percentage-wise are getting the answers correct. She can then look through her class and see if she needs to go back over information, or if the children are all up to speed, she can then move on. Lots of different things that you can do with it, but that's basically a learner response system.
Right.
We've also got the active votes, which are a multiple choice, so the teacher can put up she can put a multiple choice up, so certain questions on, click A, B, C or D. Again, these are anonymous, so these would just literally be for children to get answers, and the teacher can see how well the class is keeping up with her. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then hit send, and that's your information up on the board.
And how easy is it to establish it?
We have primary school children using these as well.
Right.
The teachers get training on all the system and all the kit, and obviously we get different sets on these. We can have the lowercase on for primary school users as well. So there's children in reception classes that are using these, the teachers give them full training, and the whole system can be set up within about half an hour.
And how do you think it, have you seen significant change in learners, in kids learning as well? It's getting worried then. Have you seen significant changes as a result of the system in the way the kids are learning?
Yeah, well, hugely, because it gives them more confidence. Obviously, they are able to get involved in the class more, rather than, like I said, putting the hand up and perhaps not getting their answers across. Yeah. It keeps their, obviously, they're more involved, so it keeps their attention more. Right. So rather than sort of sitting at the back of the class and feeling that you're not involved, because they are asking questions, then they need to give an answer, it gets their attention more. And the use of the board and the software, if you have a look at the software, and the types of things that Emma will be able to demonstrate on there, will show you exactly how the children's attention is kept. So yes, definitely, it makes a huge, huge difference.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Just out of curiosity, what's the cost?
Various. We actually sell through resellers, right. So depending on what kit you buy, all the extra add-ons, etc., it can vary. Obviously, it depends if you're buying euros or pounds, so you'd need to go through a reseller.
Presumably, you can also use it just as a standard voting system,
yep.
So you can do it with parents.
Yes.
Talking about.
Yep, it's used
customer
in
satisfaction.
Not just school, but it's used in colleges. It's used in companies where they will actually have board meetings.
Right. Oh, right. Okay.
Various different ways.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.